Hello everyone, I want to share you my basic knowledge on analog multi-tester. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to calibrate analog multi-tester within your home. A multi-tester is a tool for measuring resistance, voltage, and current. All these meters, ohmmeter, voltmeter, and ammeter, are combined to a single meter called as multimeter, as short for multiple meter. Others also call it bomb meter. It is useful instrument utilized by electricians, electronic technician, and other related fields. What are the parts of multimeter? Multimeter scale. A multimeter scale, a scale with set of numerical values used to read the measured variable. The upper scale is for measuring resistance and the lower scale is for measuring voltage and current. Yan. Pointer. It indicates the value of electrical quantity being measured. Ito yung pointer. Selector knob. A selector switch that allows you to choose function to use. Ito. Test probe. The input part of the multimeter, red probe for positive and black probe for common. It is a positive and it is the common. 0 ohm adjuster. A part of the multimeter where it is adjusted when its pointer will not point to 0. Ito siya. Pag di siya nagpo-point to 0. Now, we have identified the basic parts of a multimeter. We can now start to perform that procedure on calibrating analog multimeter. Factors that may cause why the pointer will drift away from 0 scale. Number 1, condition of environment like temperature and humidity. 2, all electronic circuits will drift with time. Multimeter uses circuits to visualize its measurement. Number 3, battery aging. Calibration procedure. Set the multimeter to its ohmmeter function. It is located at lower right portion of selector knob. Ito siya. We can see that there are multipliers. Multipliers are used to increase or change the scaling of ohmmeter for better resolution. Select the selector knob to multiplier times 1. To start calibrating, share the test probes of the multimeter. The pointer must point to 0 scale because there are nothing to measure. If it is not pointing to 0, we must calibrate it to 0. Locate the 0 ohm adjuster and rotate the knob until it point to 0. Siya. Adjust natin, puntang 0. Yan. Medyo lumampas. Hop. Yan. Now, pointer is pointing to 0 scale. It means that it is ready to use. When are using another multiplier like times 10 or times 100, repeat the procedure to calibrate again. Hope you like my tutorial. Follow me for more of this. Thank you. Bring it down, I got 3 whole thoughts,